Good morning, student. This is class 11th math, and today's thought is arithmetic is the queen of mathematics. Because in mathematics there is lot of problem based on the arithmetics, or you can say the involvement of arithmetic is more than any part of the mathematics. So it is arithmetic is the queen of mathematics. Now today's date is, this is 4th of August 2021, and it is exercise 1.3 from NCERT. This is from the sets, and it is question number 4. I will tell you in yesterday's video I told you question number 3rd. Here we will discuss about the question number 4th of the exercise. This is question number 4th is given that write down all the subset of the following sets. Write down all the subset of the following set. You have given a part 3rd. This is, you have given a set. Firstly take, let A is equal to 1, 2, 3. You have given a set 1, 2, 3. You need to write down all the subset of this set. So firstly you know that if phi is the subset of every set, the subset of A, this is phi. You know that phi is the subset of every set. Subset of A, this is phi. And 1, you know that every element of set A is also subset of A. So it is A, 5 the subset of A, 1 is the subset of A, now 2 is the subset of A, 3 is the subset of A. Now we can write out two elements together. This is 1, 2 is the subset of A, 2, 3 is the subset of A, 1, 3 is also subset of A, and 1, 2, 3 is the subset of A. 1, 2, 3 is the subset of A. So how many subset of A? If it has 3 elements like 1, 2, 3, this is 5. Set 1, set 2, set 3, set 1, 2, set 2, 3, set 1, 3, and set 1, 2, 3. These are the subset of A. If you ask about the how many subset, only the number of the subset you need to write down, then use the formula. This is power set PA is equal to 2 to the power. How many elements of A has? It has 3 elements, then it is 2 to the power 3, means it has 8 subsets. This gives you number of subsets. This gives you number of subsets. And the representation of number of subsets is 5, and you need to write down the individual element, then taking out 2, and then taking out 3 elements. This is the subset of A. Now we will move on the question number 6. Write down as intervals. Write down as intervals. Question number 6 states you write down as intervals. Write down the following as intervals. The following as intervals. This is first part of the question is that it is given that x is such that x belonging to a real number, x is such that x and x belonging to the real number, and where x lies between -4. It is greater than -4 but less than or equal to 6. you need to write down this set filter form as interval. You know that in previous video I told you there is the two strict inequalities. About the two strict inequalities, this is less than or greater than, and about the two inequalities less than or equal to, greater than or equal to. If the symbol less than or greater than is given in a question, then you have to take open interval, means use the small brackets. In open intervals, the end points are not included. It is also told by me that in open interval, the end points are not included, and if you have in question less than or equal to and greater than or equal to, then you have to use closed interval, means you have to use square brackets. And in closed interval, the end point are also included, means this is given x is such that x belonging here. You see that x is greater than, means it is a strict inequalities. Means firstly we have interval, means we have write down as interval. This is -4. Firstly we have used this bracket because I told you when there is a less than or greater than in any question, then you have to use the open interval. So here with -4 we need to use the open interval. And if you see the second number, this is less than or equal to, means this type of inequalities are there. You have to use the closed interval, means this is 6 and it is closed. So open interval -4, comma closed interval 6. This is written as interval. If you want to represent in the number line, then you know that for the open interval we only use as a quarter, and for the closed interval we use as a dark point, means the dark point is included and the quarter is not included, means this is -4. -4 is not included in an interval, but 6 is included in an interval, means this part of the line and this point is included and this point is not included. Now we move on to another part. This is second part. It is given that x is such that x belonging to a real number. X is such that x belonging to the real number, and where x is lies? X is lies between -12 to -10. If you see in the question, there are two inequalities which are strict inequalities. I told you for the strict inequalities only you have to use the open intervals. So if we represent this question as an interval, then the representation of this question will be like that one. This is -12 to -10. Here both the digits comes under the open interval, means -12 and -10 are not included in an interval, but between the -12 and -10 all the digits are included, but these digits are not included, they are excluded. Now student, if you need to represent this one, means this is the strict inequalities, so it has only used the open interval. if you need to represent on the number line, then the representation of a number line will be the ends point are not included. You know that for the open interval, the end point is not included. Means you have to make the two quarter. At the end point, this is -12, -10, and this part is included right now. So student, based on this question, you have a lot of question given in the exercise. You have to do the all part of question number 6. After that, you need to write down following interval as the set builder form. This is question number 7. This is opposite of this question. So you have to do this question in a fair copy. Also sent in the homework copy. Thank you students. Didi.